Welcome coders. In this video we are going to learn about a Python code that will recursively add all the elements of a Python list. So for that we will define a Python function. Let's say I have given it a name called def recursive add, and it will take one argument that will be the list. So I have given it a name called nested list. You can give any name. For the time being I am writing pass, and I will go out of the function and I will call print statement, and I will call the recursive add, and I will pass the argument that is data list. So once the calling part is done, then I will move into the function definition and I will design the code. Okay, so as we are adding up all the elements, so we need a placeholder that will keep the addition results. So we will keep a total, then I will iterate over all the elements in a list. That can be an item or that can be a list itself. So for that I will use a for loop for item in nested list. Okay, now there can be two situations. Either the item is an individual element or it can be a list itself. So I will use isInstance method to check that. So for that I will use an if statement. So if is instance, and I will pass the argument over here item, and I will check it's a list or not. So our second argument will be list. So once this is done, I will call the recursive add with item as an argument, and I will keep that total inside the total variable. Okay, so it would be total plus equal to recursive add, and inside it I will pass nested, or no, inside it I will pass item. Okay, so once this is done, the else part would be the item is not a list, it's a normal element. Okay, so for that we can add it directly. So total plus equal to item. So once we get the total, then we need to return it to the function from where it got called. So we will use return total. Okay, if everything goes well, then we will see the output over here at line number 20. So let's run and check it. Yeah, it's 41. So this is how we can add all the elements in a list. Let's meet in the next video.